We are currently in, what town is this?
Knonau.
Do what?
Knonau.
Knonau. All right, and we've been staying with this wonderful family for a couple days. We got connected through an American family in America who was like, yo, you're in Switzerland, you should totally link up with the, pronounce your last name for me.
Halfiger.
Halfiger, okay, Halfiger. Link up with the Halfigers and maybe we can crash with them. So we've been staying with them for a couple days and he builds drones. So we're going out to fly some drones right now. This is gonna be insane.
That right there, right?
Yeah.
This way.
It's so peaceful. Well, shooting location.
With a different frame, but components are F450.
And you built this all yourself?
Yeah. Just
That's so crazy.
So
individual components from that I got online.
Wow.
I'm actually gonna learn to actually fly. I mean I can kind of work it. It's not, but actually a full-on lesson of like this is what you do so you don't crash this expensive thing.
Yeah, but JIC in the bottom is broken. It's actually Mike's and I broke it.
So don't fly that one?
Yeah, it's for just in case, right?
Okay.
And if you look at the little dots, you got black dots, you got gray dots. It's kind of a weird, it's like down in them. Boom, you just press the little takeoff button.
Okay.
And then slide to take off.
Bye.
All right, so little.
Here you go.
All right, so basically, let's see. Shoot up.
Okay.
This one pressing forward goes forward.
Okay.
So you can just mess around with that.
This one going forward goes.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy,
Right? Looks like a spider.
Oh my goodness. We have two drones in the air. What's going on? We got our two drone pilots. Just
It's like acrobatic. I'm gonna get this shot of this church right here. It's gorgeous. Also, when it glitches out, it kind of gives me a little heart attack. Not bad.
yeah.
It's just, it just happened.
Like literally, I think it's. I mean, if you want to replace the LED lights, it should look cool. But
Yeah,
So,
they
but-
crashed the drone. Oh no.
I tried to do a high speed
Yeah.
mission,
Well,
but don't
There-
know what.
there it is.
look at that.
Thumbnail.
Too close to the ground.
It was weird.
Yeah.
It went down, and then we both just like looked at each other.
There it is.
Yep. All right.
Oh my gosh. Good grief, no.
Jackson, what's going on?
So I figured out my hair is at this point long enough to do a man bun. I think she's doing a French braid,
I'm doing a French braid.
but at this point it's long enough to do a man bun. So I think I'm gonna rock the man bun for the rest of this trip, bro. Brew.
You know, once you have the man bun and you're all over YouTube, you have to keep it for your image.
I know, right? That's just
And then
kinda,
people will know you
that's
by
just gonna
it.
be the way it is.
Signature look.
Exactly. There's so much
Wait,
up
where's
there.
the half?
I need to get it thinned out. Maddie and Dean, tell me where a good place to get my hair thinned out in South Africa would be.
None of my guy friends will let me touch their hair. Well, maybe Quibi would.
Well, see, for going with four sisters, this is like a kind of normal thing. Actually, that's not true. Girls, if you're watching this, comment below how often I would let you guys do my hair.
Cannot French braid to save my life, but I'm trying here. I don't know how. I really don't though. Like
I'm digging this look, I think.
Suck at life. It's a look.
It's a vibe.
Comment below, guys.
So guys,
Can I see your Vogue?
So starting tomorrow on daily voguing.
It's the Swiss version of
Try
vlogging.
daily voguing.
Diesen Sitz has ik Kilian Milch.
And what does that mean?
Huge sitting rabbit.
The huge sitting rabbit.
Kilian and milk.
Sick. We got it. It's a huge sitting rabbit.
Lemon would be good. You know, you make those like teas and whatever, and you put mint and you put lemon as a piece of mint. So I'm assuming it would be good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Then I have it down.
Is this the usual?
Lemons, it's not.
Is the usual grind?
Yep.
Sick.
Why'd you bite it?
Thank you. Are we allowed to eat, or are we just gonna get all the content of it? Go. Lydia. You got all the content, guys? Can we eat our ice cream now? The drone we broke earlier is this man has already fixed it. Good. That's like such a fast turnaround.
I feel like I wonder what the world record is for fast.
I know, right? We should send this into Guinness Book of World Records. Like, yo. Sheet right off the corner. Lydia, where did you just get set up?
My YouTube channel.
Lydia's set up for YouTube. And when are you gonna post the video?
About an hour, maybe an hour.
In an hour? Guys, she's linked below. Go follow her and check her out on Instagram. You can see the video. It's phenomenal. Mitchell, isn't it phenomenal?
It is amazing.
It's so good.
You gotta check it.
Okay. Gonna give this a review.
Yeah, no, I really like the texture.
The
The texture gets a 8.9
Easily.
easily.
The cornflakes add a lot.
Yes, they do. It's like